Hi guys, this is Matthew. Today is 15th of September 2020. We dropped true strategies today on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed to all our channels, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And briefly before we move on, those who haven't purchased the automated trading bot, as a binary options automated trading bot, the Tusk Scalper bot, the version 4.0 is out, and we've released the September 8th update for this version. So just, you know what to do. Just visit www.tuskscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order for the bot, and you can make your payment using your Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Wave Money, and credit card, and also bank transfer to a dollar account on the order page. Just visit the order page. PayPal is currently not working, and we don't use Credit, so use other payment option on the order page. And these are some of the few results for the boat. This is the September 8th update. As you can see, the result is all green right here. You can increase your buy price to earn more. As you can see, you can increase your buy price. The instruction is there in the folder we sent to you. These are some of the results on deriv as well. These are deriv results. They both work on both deriv and binary.com. And these are the features again. These are the features. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for updates on the boat and also our free strategies. Just subscribe on both channels. This is the link again to purchase the boat. This is the link, www.tuskscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. Briefly, we'll be releasing two strategies today, 15th of September 2020, and this is the link to sign up for a free trading account. For those who don't have a trading account, just check the video decision on YouTube, just expand it and click on this link to sign up for a trading account and practice all our strategies on demo before you go live. This is a link to our channels. This is the first channel and this is the second channel. So just subscribe on both channels for more upcoming strategies. Subscribe. So this is a link to read tutorials. This is a link to our forum. You can join our forum. Check the binary option section to read tutorials. So let's get back to the trading. So here I've logged in. If you've logged in, we are using the deriv new interface. So once you've logged in, click on the top left corner and click on Smart Trader. I've already clicked on that, Smart Trader. Then you go to the trade, you choose synthetic indices, then volatility 75 index, you click on it. Then you go to the trade type and click on no touch, no touch, you click on that as well. Here our durations will be 5 ticks. Our durations will be 5 ticks, and the barrier offset as stated here is +206, +206. So right now I'm going to be starting with 16, and I'll be changing this amount. So let's place a few trades. Let's close this. So we're going to be working with the warm movement again today. We'll be working with the warm movement. So this trade, you can see, is close to the edge. Once it disappears there, we're going to be clicking on does not touch. You can see it's close to the edge. We're working with this red. So once it disappears from the edge, you can see it's close to the edge. Once it disappears, we will click on does not touch. Okay, we are close. The red is still there. The red is still there, but it disappears. You can see it has disappeared. So we want that trade. In the next trade, we have to wait for the red to disappear before we click on purchase. The red has to disappear before we click on purchase. And see, the red is moving towards the edge again. It's moving towards the edge. Our mouse has to be on this. So we are working with this red, we are working with the warm movement, and we are working with this red. Once it disappears, when it's close to the edge, we will click on purchase. We have to be smart. give a close. Let's wait for it to, it has disappeared there, so we click on purchase again. What it means is once that already disappears, it's not going to rebound. So we want the second trade. Let's place a few more trades again before you can see we are close again. The red is close to the edge again. It's close to the edge. It's close. It's still there. We have to wait for it to disappear from the edge. The red is still there. It's still there. It has disappeared there, so we click on purchase again. As you can see, we've won that trade. We've won that trade already. The internet connection is a bit slow there. Let's wait for this to just clear. We already won that trade. Okay, if it didn't clear, we are going to close it. Okay, I think we have to close that so that we can, okay, so we won that trade too. So let's wait. The red is close again. The red is close to the edge. It has disappeared there, but we have to wait. Let's change our amount to 18.75. Our return is about 19.5% there. So the red is moving again. It's moving again. We are working with this red. Working with that red. Once it disappears at the edge, still there. Still there. Still there, still there, still it bounced to the middle, so we have to wait. Still back at the middle there, so we have to wait for it to disappear completely. Once it's no more there, it's going to jump to the front. The red is still there. Back to the middle area again. Back again. We have to wait. Back again. We have to wait. Still there. Okay, it's back again. We're working with this red. It has to disappear completely from here, from the edge at the back here. So once it disappears, it can appear at the front, but it must not be at the middle or at the back or at the edge. Back to the middle again, so we have to wait. Okay, Okay, we want that trade again, so we want that trade. So